Hi there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the intersect tool. Here I have two layers, the parcels and three canopy layers from City of Denver. I downloaded these layers from City's Open Data Catalog, and um, I selected the subset and created a layer from that subset. One issue that the tree canopy, the parcel data of the Denver data has is they have overlapping parcels, which creates a lot of problem. One way that you can solve that issue is through deleting duplicates or identical um, delete identical features. You can use that tool to fix that data set. But this one is fixed. This one is good to go. And I'm going to explain the tree canopy data a little bit. These are one feature. We call them tree patches because they are connected tree crowns. And we have one patch tree canopy here. As you can see, these are huge patches. And so if I want to know what is the area of tree canopy cover of every lot, I have to first cut these pieces and know which pieces of this huge tree canopy is falling in this parcel. And that is the intersect tool. Um, but before that, I want to create a unique value for my parcels because I want to be able to um, track those pieces of intersected tree canopy. And I'm going to say create a new layer, a new field in my parcel dataset, and I'm going to name that PCL ID, and this could be a long integer because it's going to be going to save some whole numbers in it. I'm going to save this, and this will give us an empty field, filled by zeros. Now we need to calculate some ID in them. The best ID is we can get from this FID, but FID is not a reliable, if we use FID itself, it's not a reliable field, but we can calculate FID into this PCL, basically stabilizing it, and that way we will have a unique ID for our parcel layer. So I'm going to say in this field put FID. FID starts from 0. If you want to have a number from 1, so you can put it +1 here. It doesn't matter, but um, eventually this will give us a 1 to whatever number of the parcels are. We have 3,000 and about slightly more than 3,000 parcels, so that's good. We are done with this. Every parcel now has a unique ID. Now I'm ready to go ahead and run my intersect tool. Intersect, and I'm going to say parcels and tree canopy. The layer that comes first and gets rank 1, for example, we will have all these attributes in the result layer first, and then we will have the attribute of the second layer. In this case, the attribute of second layer is the tree canopy cover. We don't have much here. The only useful one for now is area square meter, and we need to update that later anyways. Um, so we are ready to run this. We have to give a location. I'm going to, because I've done this so many times for these videos, I'm going to give it a new name, number 4, and I'm going to run this. One thing that happens in some situations, for example this one, um, we might need to do some fixing some of our data. I'm telling you why. This is the result of the intersection tool. If I turn this off, and you can see that these are in one piece um, tree canopies, but my intersect, they are um, they have the lines of the parcels, and we threw out those parts that were outside of the parcels. There's something strange here in this piece because this was one tree canopy. Look at that. This was one tree canopy. Um, Now we have a multi-part multi-part feature here. Um, Most of the time it is fine, but sometimes this could be a little bit confusing. So I'm always I prefer to make them to convert them to one part, multi-part to single part. And where that one is here, this one, and I'm going to say this one is um, the number 4 and save that as number 5. You can give it a single part, for example, to a name that is more specific. And I have to also, before running it, make sure that there's no selection here and run that. And this will take care of the single part and multi-part features. Take care of the multi-part ones. And let's see. Here it is. Now it is good. And we should be still have the, let me select these, and you can see if I go to the attribute table of this one and selected, you can see that this is from one parcel 1717, and um, that's how you can track. For example, here if I show you the attribute table of my output, you can see that the attributes of the parcels come first and the attributes of the tree canopy will be um, coming after. Um, so that's it for the intersection. Next video I'm going to show you how you can use this result for in Summarize.